Hi guys, this is Queen. Welcome back to my channel. And today I'm going to share with you the secret how to get liked on social media. Now, if you type this in the search field just now and my video showed up, let me tell you, it's not going to be what you're expecting. I'm going to tell you how to get over your desire to get liked. When you're putting yourself out there, the more people who see your content, the more you will polarize the world. There are some people who instantly connect with you. They like your voice, they like what you're talking about, they like your style, they think you're looking friendly, they like your voice, and they instantly connect with your message and they instantly get you. And this is great. And you're creating content just for those people. But the more people will see your content, at some point you're gonna discover there's a certain percentage in the population who doesn't like you. They don't like your voice, think you look stupid, maybe you are looking like the guy or girl who cheated on their boyfriend or girlfriend. Something in their voice is reminding them of their teacher in school who was always nasty to them, or they're just having a miserable life and it's like looking for someone to take it out onto. And we'll notice that those people who don't like you, those are the most active ones in comments. Now you will get a wrong impression. If you're listening to what some people write in the comment section, you will get it all wrong. You will start doubting yourself and you start thinking like, how can I make them like me? And that's the number one mistake that you have to get over with. You don't want them to like you. And in fact, you want to piss those people off even more. The worse you can make them feel, the more likely it is that they're going to disappear. Because why would they torture themselves to listen to your incredible, horrendous voice all day long if they could do something else? Normally what you will find is those people writing a comment because they're trying to get some form of satisfaction by making you react to them. They're sitting there in front of their computer and thinking like, how can I write something nasty so the other person will feel really bad about themselves? They hope they get some kind of power by typing into their keyword. Little keyboard warriors, hoping that they can make you feel bad, hoping that they can get this big person over there to react to them small over here. Maybe they can force you to make a reply. Maybe they can make you doubt about yourself all day long. But if you're not giving that to them, then they will feel really bad and sad. And I feel like maybe they will try a couple of times harder. But if you're not giving into them, they will just disappear. Now here's the number one secret that worked best for me. Express your personality freely and let the chips fall where they may. And if you're just being yourself, you will notice the more you are yourself, the more you're polarizing, and the more the people who truly love you will connect more with you, and the people who really hate you will hate you more. So the more you can be yourself, the more you just really express yourself, and you're expecting some people to like you and some people to dislike you, the more you can do that, the more likely it is that you're separating them and you're attracting more of the people who do like your content. And then just ignore whatever everyone else says. Now let me know in the comments what you think about getting liked on social media. Do you sometimes wish people would like you? Do you struggle with negative comments? What do you do if someone is sharing something, like is telling you like you should do something else? What do you do if someone is complaining to you? Do you give in, or do you say go and you? If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button, and if you want to get more videos about how to succeed on social media, on LinkedIn, on YouTube, make sure that you hit the subscribe button, turn the notification bell on, then so check out those videos over here and over here on how to succeed on social media. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.